from Grandma. That's from Grandma Sarah.
Grandma
Do you
Sarah.
think it's really tall?
Yeah. Watch this. I think it's gonna stand.
Hold on.
That's a good gift.
That's pretty cool looking.
Let me see if I can carry it.
My gosh, it's your giraffe.
Oh.
Hello.
Probably not. No. Because it's not. Yeah, it's not sturdy enough.
You can hug it.
You can hug it though.
Let me
Do
see.
you want to give it a kiss on its lip?
He's taller enough. That means he
can ride the ride.
Yeah.
Aw.
Yeah. Eva, you can think of a
Well, that's
name
awesome.
for it.
I don't know. Hold on.
Eva, you can
No,
think
don't get no wet on it. It's not strong enough.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's not strong enough.
What's her name gonna be?
Take this off.
Yeah.
Okay, in a minute.
Maybe we can think of names for her.
We can cut it off.
Well, what's your giraffe's name gonna be?
Maybe we don't need a name.
Oh.
Maybe he doesn't need a
Alright,
name.
Eva. Look through here. See what's in here.
Maybe his name can be Melissa.
Oh, what are those?
I think they're wings.
Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Oh.
Wings!
Hey,
I'm
bud.
jealous.
Your arms through here.
Those are.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Go, Eva. Go.
I think Jeffy can. They can fall.
Jeffy?
No! I can name him Jeffy.
Oh, Giraffe. Giraffe can wear them. Giraffe. Oh,
Hey, is it presents?
No, that's it.
those were awesome presents. Yay!
Hey, Jeffy.
It sounds like she's saying Jeffy.
That sounds like Jeffy.
I don't know if it really.
Yeah, go Jeffy.
He likes the card.
Help, Eva?
No.
Okay.
Beautiful butterfly! Hey, I'm a butterfly! I'm a butterfly!
Hey, Ava, come to the camera and say
Hey, can I
thank you,
smell it?
Grandma Sarah
Thank you, Grandma Sarah.
and Grandpa Glade.
Grandpa, and thank you, Grandpa Glade.
Good job.
And thank you for the dress and wings.
Yay! You love it?
Yeah.
How old are you?